One of the quickest means for organizations to communicate with suppliers, clients, potential customers, staff, and bank managers is through business emails. Emails allow you to connect with people worldwide, and it is one of the concise, quick, cost-effective, personal, and professional ways of communication. One of the striking features of emails is the ability to communicate with over one person. Email plays a vital role in modern business communication. Importance of email in business communication. Emails are crucial in business communication for various reasons when compared to other communication modes. The reasons emails are significant for businesses are: record keeping. Messages sent through emails will remain in the user inbox unless the user deliberately deleted them. Both the webmail services and standalone email software allow the users to filter and track down a specific message easily. It is the most secure and efficient way of record keeping related to printed documents, making it extremely simple to extract relevant records. Cost-effective. Communication through email is one of the cheapest means of business communication, both internally and externally. With various service providers such as Gmail, Hotmail, and Yahoo, small businesses can sign up for free mails. Even larger companies can maintain a dedicated email server at a relatively low cost. Immediacy. Email helps to streamline both internal and external business communication with almost instant sending and receiving messages. It enables businesses for faster and most efficient dissemination of critical information, allowing real-time status updates. With the continuous flow of information, both executives and employees can be more productive and quicker at responses. Marketing. Businesses can effectively spread vital information about products and services to potential customers through emails. Marketing through emails is a personalized way to reach customers and cost-effectively increase sales. Businesses can reach customers simpler than ever with the help of email marketing tools. A regular flow of communication. Sending weekly messages to customers about the details of your company or news about discounts or promotions. It makes potential customers aware of your company's activities and helps to increase sales. Staying in touch with the loyal customer base and maintaining a regular communication flow is crucial to generate repeat sales. Advantages of emails for businesses. Emails are the most amazing that helps to communicate personally and professionally with anyone from anywhere instantly. Some advantages of emails notable in business communication are: targeting customers for your business. Emails allow businesses to target their potential customers, enabling their marketing process to be more straightforward. Customers can also opt to receive emails about the products they already own or sales and new launches. Businesses can send targeted emails to customers based on their search activity, especially about the products or services they searched for when they visit your website. Automated handling of messages. One of the significant benefits of using email in business communication is processing outgoing and incoming messages automatically. Companies can automatically file incoming emails by subject, content, or sender with the help of software. Businesses can also automate responses to customer inquiries through confirmation notices or automatic responses. With email software, companies can send reminders, statements, and newsletters to customers without human intervention. Attachments and add-on. Modern emails are more interesting than just a simple text message. Hypertext markup language, HTML, is used to build websites. It can also create appealing and colorful flyers for emails. Spreadsheets, Adobe Portable Document Format, PDF, files, and can deliver 25 megabytes files through email attachments. Increases efficiency and productivity. Emails help increase business productivity as business owners can communicate and automatically forward important information to specific individuals based on a definite topic according to priorities and necessity. Most of the email services come up with customization features that allow companies to tailor the volume of daily messages and the type of work according to their preference. Effective use of emails can reduce face-to-face meetings. Instantaneous communication. Communicating through emails is lightning-fast communication, enhances the business's ability to disseminate information and provide fast responses to customer inquiries. The business process is streamlined. Businesses can solve quickly any problems and effectively with the use of emails in business communication. It enables organizations to accomplish more achievements in less time. The virtual communication system of email has transformed the way organizations conduct business by removing global barriers. Flexibility in sending and accessing messages from anywhere benefits business, with a quick exchange of information and diminishing the communication expenditure. Conclusion. Although emails are the old way of communication mode, the latest trends of emails like optimization for mobiles and interactivity make them even more appealing. Interactive emails are more likely to be read by everyone as they are fun and engaging. With the rise of AI and chatbots, there are high chances of customer engagement. It helps to better the overall user experience. The continuous improvement of spam filters in emails and easy-to-use email platforms plays a pivotal role in business communication. A Bill Must Production.